Today, I'm going to show you how to make some old-fashioned Parmesan green beans just in time for Thanksgiving. This recipe is super easy and absolutely delicious. First things first, let's get those green beans prepped. It's important to start with fresh, crisp green beans for the best flavor and texture. Wash and trim the ends of 1 pound of green beans. Make sure to remove any tough stems. Then, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. The salt helps to season the beans as they cook. Once it's bubbling, add your green beans and blanch them for about 3 to 4 minutes. This process helps to preserve their vibrant color and crisp texture. You want them bright green and slightly tender. They should still have a bit of a bite to them. Now, drain those beans and plunge them into an ice water bath to stop the cooking. This step is crucial to keep them from getting mushy. Drain again and set aside. Next up, let's sauté some garlic. Fresh garlic adds a wonderful depth of flavor to the dish. In a large skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. The combination of these fats gives a rich, savory base. Once that's nice and melted, toss in 3 cloves of minced garlic. The aroma will be absolutely irresistible. Cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes until it's fragrant, but be careful not to burn it. Stir constantly to prevent any scorching. There's nothing worse than burnt garlic. It can turn bitter and ruin the dish. Now it's time to bring those green beans back into the picture. They should be cool and ready to go. Add the blanched beans to your skillet and toss them around to coat in that delicious garlic butter. Make sure every bean gets a bit of that flavor. Season with a bit of salt, black pepper, and if you're feeling adventurous, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. The red pepper adds a nice kick. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until they're tender crisp. You want them to be cooked through but still have a bit of crunch. All right, here comes the star of the show. 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. This cheese adds a rich, nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with the green beans. Sprinkle that grated Parmesan over the green beans while they're still in the skillet. The heat will help the cheese melt and coat the beans. Toss everything together so the cheese melts just a bit and coats the beans evenly. This step ensures every bite is packed with flavor. For an extra crunch, you can sprinkle some toasted slivered almonds or breadcrumbs on top. These add a wonderful texture contrast. Transfer your green beans to a serving dish and garnish with a little extra Parmesan for that festive finish. It adds a nice touch of elegance. Serve them warm alongside your Thanksgiving favorites like turkey, stuffing, and mashed potatoes. They complement any main dish beautifully. And for a zesty twist, add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice just before serving. It brightens up the flavors and adds a refreshing note. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. I hope you enjoy making and eating this dish as much as I do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more delicious recipes. See y'all next time. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving.